Other day I was talking about dot class property. Anyone done R&D on it? Anyone did R&D on it, guys? Yeah, tell me. That I created or compiler is automatically generated? We don't create it. Compiler generates it automatically. Yes? Yeah. What type of property it is? Object of java.lang.class. What that object contains? Complete details about the current class. So it will be generated only predefined class or in fact for every Java class. That will be generated in fact for every Java class. Right, guys? Improving the client application 21st. Okay. Now listen. I'm introducing need of generics. I'm introducing need of generics. Okay. Okay, let us assume I have a person class. As subclass of that class, we have lot of core Java, employee class. We have employee class and we have customer class. Listen, I'm going to improvise get bean method, boss. But I know so many people are not having that much clarity on generics. That's why first I'm spending time on generics. Then I will improvise client application of this one. Yeah, initial few days, the classes will be like this only. Core Java linking with Spring. Core Java linking with Spring. Because I know how improvisation. Improvisation means what can I say, guys? Improvement. Okay. Right, guys. Need of generics, guys. Person, employee, customer. Okay, cool, guys. And don't expect I'm teaching entire core Java to you. I'm just covering those core Java concepts which is required in my Spring learning, because I don't want to see my student mugging up the code. Okay, mugging up the code. So yeah, those who missed initial classes, these are my personal details for communication, where material is available, how things are available, all these things. And these are the 14 backup videos we got. Yes, and everyone focus. Watch videos and come for next class, guys. Person class and employee class. Tell me, guys, what is the best way of taking this method? Okay. Better to take return type as person or return type as employee or customer? I have a class. I have a method. Public person. Public person. Public person. Okay. Get details. String type. Okay. So get details string type. If type equals. Google Classroom, one technical problem is there, guys. Actually, in fact, two technical problems are there. Number one, Google Classroom link capacity is 250, but we are having nearly 370 members. So that's the issue number one. Issue number two is when I paste some paintbrush images, they are becoming blur. Our team is working out. Hope so. If all problems are solved, I don't have any issue. To give this one. And I don't entertain WhatsApp groups and Telegraph groups. Only one group which I am entertaining is a Facebook group. That's it. I don't encourage, because people are misusing the groups, especially girls. Don't join in any group that is started with my name, with my batch name. Got it, our boss? Okay. So Yes, I'm ready to go Google Classroom, but my team has to sort out that problem. Once sorted out, I don't mind keeping. I don't mind. I don't entertain any WhatsApp groups because people are misusing in a wrong reasons. Okay. If type equals cust return, yeah, good. Okay, Git I will give, don't worry. Git I will give, don't worry. Rajkumar Yadav, Paintbrush, you have to download and open, and that's it. It will open. New customer of else if type equals emp return new employee of. Okay, lastly return null, or if any exception, I may throw exception, throw illegal argument exception. If other than emp cust is passed, I want to get illegal argument exception. Illegal argument exception. Invalid person type. Some message, guys. Invalid person type. Invalid person type. Super, guys. What is the problem in this case? The problem in this case is else is missed up. Fine. In the flow, I forgot to write else, guys. Now it's perfect. Okay. Testing code, guys. Testing code. Person PER is equal to. Okay. Person PER is equal to get details of CUST. Yes. Valid statement. This is definitely valid statement. Using PER, we can call only common methods of person and customer class. To call direct methods of customer class, we need typecasting. Yes or no, guys? Yes, sir. Subbarani, I am defining method means it is a user. It's not a user-defined method. Without knowing what is user-defined method, what is predefined method, why are you sitting in Spring class? Who is this? Subbarami Reddy. Please complete core Java, then come for Spring classes. I am writing a definition of the method and you are asking me whether it is user-defined method or predefined method. Please, guys, if you don't know good core Java, don't sit in my batch. To bear me, partial knowledge of core Java is not good. Subbiram Reddy, my suggestion is after the class, sit for half an hour, introspect whether your core Java good or not good. Okay, if you are feeling comfortable, then continue in this batch. Otherwise, my suggestion is complete core Java nicely, wait for the next batch. I'm teaching core Java does not mean I'm teaching basics of core Java. I'm teaching advanced concepts of core Java, which are required for what? Spring discussions. Is that clear? Because I'm writing method, I'm writing definition of the method, and you are asking me whether it is user-defined method or predefined method. I don't think with that knowledge you can complete Spring. If you complete it also, it will be meaningless. Sorry to say straight on your face. If I don't say, okay, you will be misguided unnecessarily. Okay, customer PR. Customer cust is equal to customer PER. Are typecasting is required or not? Okay. Using cust, we can call direct methods of customer class. Possibility is there or not there, guys? Come on. Possibility is there or not there? Okay. So next, same thing I do for other one. Same thing I do for other one. Okay. Now listen. This time for EMP, boss. This time for EMP. Here is my employee EMP. Employee EMP. Come on. Right, guys. Okay. Employee person. Again, we have to do like this. Understanding? Employer. It's a sample code, my dear. Christopher Anil. Mr. Christopher. It is instance method only. You have to call on the object only. But I am just giving for sample sake. Please. Right. Direct methods of employee class. Employee class. We need typecasting. We need typecasting. Okay, listen, guys. Whenever we go for typecasting, there is a chance of getting class cast exception or not. Suppose I didn't pass. I didn't pass. Are you understanding my statement? Proper customer. I didn't pass. Proper customer. Are you getting my point? I didn't pass proper customer. I didn't pass proper class to typecast. Then there's a chance of getting class cast exception or not. Okay, note. When we do typecasting, there is a possibility of getting. Okay, there is a possibility of getting typecasting exception. Class typecasting exception, typecasting related exception, that is class cast exception. Are you getting my point, guys? Come on. Right. Using EMP, we can call direct methods. Okay, that means code is not type safe. Code is not type safe. To make code as type safe code, take the support of generics. Okay, what is the main purpose of generics, guys? Take the support of generics. Generics are given to make the code as type safe code. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Generics are given to make the code as what? Type safe code. So that means if you use the generics, there is no need of going for any typecasting. There is no necessity of going for typecasting. Okay, guys. So I say this is the problem code. What is that? Problem code. I say this is what? Problem code, guys. Yeah. Now, can I give solution using solution? Solution using generics, guys. Solution using generics. Now listen. Same setup, boss. Setup is not changed. Same setup. Setup is not changed. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, it's a public. First, declare the T, guys. Declare the type, generic type. I'm declaring the generic type T. Okay, use that one as a return type. Are you listening my statement, guys? Use that one as the return type. Come on, guys, come on. Use the return type. Now method. Get details is the method. Super. Then string type. Then what is that string type? Now listen carefully. Class. What is that? Class T. Class. Class T class, guys. Okay, this is declaration of the type, guys. It can be X, Y, Z. If you write R here, everywhere R will come. If you write A here, everywhere A will come. Understanding? This is declaration of the type. Type is used as return type. Type is used as parameter type. Now you observe what is the class parameter? Class with generic, guys. Class with generic. Sir, why are you taking parameter name as class? You can take class as the parameter name now. Keywords cannot be used as parameter names. You know that. Lowercase class, lowercase c class is a keyword in Java. Can I use keywords as the parameter names? No. That's why wantedly I am taking parameter name as class. That's why wantedly I am taking parameter name as what? Class. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Okay. Define it. Okay, here also T for template only, boss. T for template only. But we generally say generic type. T for template, nothing but generic type. Okay, guys. Now tell me here, guys. Class T. Okay. Now you observe this. The same code continues here. The same code continues here. The same code continues here. End of it. Okay, guys. Okay. Same code. If you are feeling heavy, go and study Core Java generics. Core Java generics. Okay, I'm just using the generics. I'm not teaching what is generic. So if you want to get more knowledge, go and study Core Java generics. Okay, so this is type declaration, type return type. The same T is used as return type. Come on, guys. Okay, get details, string class T. I'm taking parameter name as class. Tell me, what's the easiest way of creating object of java.lang.class? What is the easiest way of creating object of java.lang.class? Parameter type is X means I have to pass X class object. Parameter type is Y means I have to pass Y class object. Okay, similarly, parameter type is capital C class. I have to pass object of java.lang.class. I have to pass object of java.lang.class. Come on. Okay, now tell me. Now tell me, guys. Now tell me, parameter type is class. So I have to pass object of java.lang.class. Come on, guys. We need to pass or not? Definitely we need to pass. Okay, what is the easiest way of creating object of java.lang.class? And if you don't know generics also, now you can learn and use. Dynamic learning, there is a point called dynamic learning. Madhavi Kotari, after attending last class also, still you say for name. Last class I introduced one dot class property. Come on. Class dot for name is easy or dot class property is easy? Class dot for name is easy or dot class property is easy? Dot class property is easy, right? See, new remains new until we make it old. If you don't make it old, it never becomes old, guys. Come on. So now listen carefully. Testing code, guys. Employee get details. It's an instance method. You have to create an object and you have to call the method. Right now, I'm not highlighting it. Get details. Okay. Get details. Okay, type is equal to EMP. Super. And what is the parameter? Class T. I am passing employee dot class. I am passing employee dot class. Are you listening? I pass it dot class file, object of Java dot lang dot class. I am passing dot class file, object of Java dot lang dot class. I am passing dot class file name, object of Java dot lang dot class. The second parameter is dot class file name or object of Java dot lang dot class. I want reply. It is not a dot class file name, right? Dirty fellows. It is the object of Java dot lang dot class. Okay, see guys, class C1 is equal to employee dot class. Super. And I passed C1. I passed C1. Do you say it is okay? Do you say I am passing correct one? Right? It is expecting object of Java dot lang dot class. C1 is the object of Java dot lang dot class. Come on, guys. You agree with me? C1 is the correct one. When I can pass C1, what's the problem to pass employee dot class directly? Now tell me, it is a dot class file, object of Java dot lang dot class. Both are one and the same, na boss. Both are one and the same, na boss. Come on. So it is not dot class file. It is gives object of Java dot lang dot class. Gives the object of Java dot lang dot class. Having employee class details as the data. As the data. Now listen. Okay, what is the one? Employee dot class. What is T now? Employee dot class. What is the return type now? Employee. So when I am also expecting employee. Any typecasting required? Any typecasting required here? Any typecasting required here? So no typecasting. So when no typecasting, is there any possibility of getting class cast exception? That means the generics avoiding class cast exception or not? Generics are avoiding class cast exception or not? Say something, guys. That means generics are making our code as a type safe code or not? Now the people who said, I don't know generics, at least you got something about generics, boss. Something about generics, na boss. Come on. Yes, guys. Everyone getting my point here? Okay. Listen, since we are passing like this, instead of saying new customer, can I say class dot new customer? Can we say class dot new instance of? Here also, can I say class dot new instance of? Actually, I can give initially, but you don't understand if I give initially. Now, class dot new instance of? Can I say class dot new instance of? Class dot new instance of? Okay. Here, no typecasting is required because of generics. Because of generic. So, okay. So we can say class cast exception is avoided. And come on, there is no need of checking the type also, right? And we can say code is type safe code. Code is type safe code. Right, boss? Code is type safe code. Are you listening my statement, guys? Okay. Sir, java.lang.class. Yeah, this is capital. You are right. Typing mistake from my side. Right, boss. Similarly, customer cust is equal to get details of cust.customer.class. Same thing is applicable, guys. Come on. Same thing is applicable. What do you say? I think code has become type safe code, guys. Super, guys. Next, more improved code, guys. More improved code. More improved code. Listen, guys. I should be in a position to pass any class or only person subclasses. I should be in a position to pass any class or date class. No. As of now, it is allowing only subclasses of the person. According to my requirement, it should allow only person and person subclasses, right? Person and person subclasses. In future, one more subclass student may come. One more subclass, what is that? A developer may come. One more subclass, what? Some other person may come. But all of them should be only subclasses of the person, right? Are you understanding my point? So it's a good solution code, guys, but I want to give more improved code. So when I go for more improved code, it's like public T extends person. Array, that T should not be anything, guys. It should not be any random class. Must be subclass of person. That T is the return type. Get details. Come on. Bulb is glowing or not glowing? Okay, guys. Tell me here. Class T. Class. Class T class. Yes, boss. And here is the story. Here is the story. Yes, see, boss. This is a more perfect one. And here there is a possibility of passing what? X class, Y class, Z class. Come on. Z class, A class, B class, anything. But now you should pass only person and its subclasses. Can you pass anything of your choice? No, it is not going to allow. Code remains same, guys. Code remains same, guys. Okay, and this also remains same, guys. But everything is same. But there is a more perfection here. There is a more perfection here. Okay. There is a more perfection here. Must be person and its subclasses. Subclasses. Must be person and subclass based java.lang.class object. Yes, guys. Now this time. Okay. Pavan, if you listen properly, you will understand. It can be, we can pass any class based java.lang.class object. Here I can pass date class, X class, Y class, Z class. But right now I want to restrict to only person and its subclasses. That's the reason I have gone there. That's the reason I have gone there. Pawan, you are thinking parallelly. You are not listening the statements. Stop thinking when I am explaining. After listening entire Ramayana, he is asking who is Sita. What is the additional advantage we get on defining T extent person? That is what I was shouting from last 5-10 minutes. I request everyone not to think parallelly by leaving my explanation. Not to Google parallelly without listening my explanation. This is the biggest danger in my online classes. 10 minutes they will be off, thinking here and there. After 10 minutes exactly they come and ask same question what I have been explaining. Pawan, I am requesting everyone to give your 100% focus. Yes, since I am revising your core Java, feel it is advantage. Okay, boss. Super. Okay. Now, sir, why we are learning, sir? Array, I am teaching means definitely I will link with Spring na, boss. Okay, I will definitely link with Spring or not. Yeah, self-discipline, self-focus, determination of becoming great programmer is very, very important while attending online classes. Because in online classes, eye-to-eye contact is not possible. So you should have a self-discipline. Shall we come to one common understanding, boss? A rule of the class kind of thing. When you are attending my class, you are in the sitting mode. You are in the sitting mode, number one. Number two, your spinal cord is 90 degrees angle. That means you are not going to take back support of chair, back support of wall, back support of bed, anything. Then automatically concentration comes. Try for 1 day. Try for 10 days. 11th day, automatically you will follow it. See, when I am conducting class, I am active or not? Am I focusing here and there? Okay. Am I focusing here and there? Why? Because I am exactly following the same thing. I am not sitting in a relaxed mode in the chair while conducting the class. I am very alert. I am not leaning my back anywhere. That's why I am able to deliver this subject this much focus. Yes, you also try once. Definitely you will see the results in a good manner. Definite results in a good manner. So shall we get into the discussions, guys? Okay, guys. Old. What is this, guys? Old get bean method of bean factory. Okay, guys. Old get bean method of bean factory. The old one is this, guys. What is the old one? Public, signature wise. Signature wise. Public object is the return type. Sir, why are you taking object? Array, I can pass X bean ID, Y bean ID, Z bean ID. Is there any common superclasses for Spring Beans? No. If no common superclass, what is the default common superclass for any Java class? If no user-defined common superclass, no predefined common superclass, what is the default common superclass for any Java class? What is the topmost class in the inheritance hierarchy of any Java class? Java.lang.object. Come on, guys. So that's why return type they have given object. Why, sir? Spring Bean Java class. To make a Java class as Spring Bean, does it need to participate in the inheritance? It can be predefined class, user-defined class, third-party supply class, X class, Y class, Z class, right? Okay, I may call get the different bean IDs, X bean ID, Y bean ID, Z bean ID, should be in a position to return any Java class object, right? Okay, so they don't know what bean ID I'm going to pass, and that bean ID class type you don't know. So that's why at the time of designing methods, they have taken generic return type, common return type. What is that common return type? Object. Everyone getting my point? Yes. String bean ID. String bean ID. Okay, guys. String bean ID. This is the exception. Okay, if you want, you can see that. Java, Spring is very popular. Java is very popular. Bean factory docs. You type class name, interface name with word docs. Automatically you will get the help. Automatically you will get the help. Okay, this is the version. Check it out. What is the throws beans exception? Throws beans exception. Or if given bean ID is not available, it will throw exception. Okay, example. Okay, guys. Object to OBJ. Factory dot get bean. Array, factory means our, that one only. Double MSZ. Wish message WMSZ. Okay. Suppose using OBJ, we cannot call direct methods of what, guys? Wish message generator. Assume WMSZ is the we studied all these basics, boss. Wish message generator class. For that, go for typecasting. How to do typecasting, guys? Typecasting, downcasting. We cannot call. We studied all these things, my dear. Wish message generator. WMG. Or generator. Your choice, guys. Any name you can give. Generator. Tell me. Wish message generator. OBJ. Using OBJ. Tell me. Using generator, we can call direct methods of wish message generator class. What do you say, guys? Wish message generator class. I hope you enjoyed my statement, guys. But here typecasting is required. So there is a possibility of getting class cast exception. Class cast exception. That means code is not type safe. Code is not type safe. Are you getting my point, guys? Come on. Yes. You want to feel that? Let me make you people to feel it. SRC main Java, not that. Okay. Array, I will wait, Babu. I will give the generics, everything I will give. Wait. Okay. You have not chosen me faculty just like that. I will give everything like a cinema story. Wait. Yes, boss. Now listen. I have not done typecasting with the correct class. I have done typecasting with the date class here. Okay. Problem solution. We will get into the roots of the class. I don't call the method because that method is not there. That's why error. But I'm doing typecasting with the wrong class. Bean ID WMG only, but I'm doing typecasting with the wrong class. See, guys, class cast exception. Kema, not Kema. If you cast with the wrong class, there is a possibility of getting class cast exception or not. Convinced, my dear? Possibility is there or not there? No, I'm not saying you will do it, but possibility is there or not there? Yes, guys. So that's why they have come up with method with generics, guys. Okay, this is there from the beginning of Spring. Spring 1.1.0 onwards. Are in companies in real time, foreign countries, no, they never use the term called zero. Zero is a big scolding for them. That's why they say 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. They never say 0, 0, 0. Okay, if your on-site team is what belongs to USA, UK, and in that one, some foreigners are there working for the companies. So better to say, okay, guys, better to say, whoa. Don't say 0. Understanding? Right. Yeah. Improvised get bean method of bean factory. Okay, guys. Bean factory. Okay, I think some people are saying Indians found 0, that's why they are not using 0. That's not the correct, guys. 0 is a big scolding for them. You are a 0 means that's a scolding. So that's why they don't use the word 0. They are not against of Indians, nothing. So our RSS people will create anything as a controversy, leave it. Okay. So our nationalist will make anything as a controversy, leave it. Okay. So I'm not worried about that. They use the word 0 as a scolding. That's why they are not using. Fine. Okay, boss. Improvised get bean method of bean factory, guys. Improvised get bean method of bean factory. I have a small doubt. I also know the answer, but I want to check how much you are having knowledge. So we all proudly say Indians found 0, right? We all proudly say Indians found 0. Okay. Before 0, how they have called 10, 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, how? Aryabhatta found 0. After that, mathematics has become easy. But before they found 0, how they have worked with what? 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. I just want to find out. You just want to find out. Okay, shall we get into the subject, guys? Okay. Right, guys. Using generics from Spring 2.5. Using generics from Spring 2.5. Okay. Right, guys. Acha, before finding 0, there is no 10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah? What are you saying, Madhur Kulkarni? Right, guys. Okay, fine. So public, listen, signature I am giving. Signature. Public T. Can you come back to the subject, everyone? I unnecessarily diverted your brain. Please come back. Please come back. Okay, I know answer. One day I will give answer. Public T, guys. Public T. Written type is T, boss. Get bean is the method, guys. Okay. String bean ID, guys. String bean ID, guys. Class T, guys. Class T, class. Throws beans exception. See, guys, without teaching about generics, without teaching problem and solution with the generics, if I explain this, do you really understand my statement, guys? If I explain this, do you really understand these lines, guys? Now, when you look at the signature of this method, is there anything looking new? And you have a reason why they have given also, right? Okay, this is my style of teaching. I will prepare background, then I will launch. So that's why please give me time. I will make you wonderful person in the subject. What I expect is time from you. Okay. Right, guys. Public T, get bean, spring bean ID, class T, this one. Now, what is the story, guys? What is the story? Example. Wish message generator. Wish message generator is equal to wish message generator is equal to factory dot get bean. Yes, guys, wish message generator dot class. Generator class. Here, no typecasting is required. So code becomes type safe code. Type safe code. One by one, I am improvising, guys. I hope you are noticing it. Similarly, I am taking date dt. Date dt. Come on, guys. Factory dot get bean. Otherwise, here I can take only d. What is there in that? Factory dot get bean dt, guys. Date dot class. Again, I am asking what I am passing is what? Dot class file name. What I am passing is dot class file name, guys. No, it is not dot class file name. Okay. Passing wish message generator. You go and ask a lot of working people, guys. Lot of working people. What is this? They will say I'm passing dot class file name. Better. Okay. At least if anyone is ready to agree, you can agree, boss. Already working guy. So far you thought you are passing dot class file name. So please agree so that it will give boost to others. So that it will give boost to others. So that at least they will realize what they have done. Array working people also thought that. Okay, wait in the chat box. I will show. Yes. Some people are agreeing. I am one of them kind of thing. Passing wish message generator class object as the argument value of. Okay, guys. Passing wish message generator class object as the. Okay. As the object of java.lang.class. Not object, as the object of java.lang.class. Yeah, people may ask me one question. Sir, instead of date class here, I passed wish message generator.class. Come on. Okay, someone is confirming. I'm really happy, Mr. Springworld. Okay. Sir, instead of date.class, I passed what? Wish message generator class. You may get other error, but not class cast exception. You may get other error, invalid bean type, some Spring specific error, but not the class cast exception. Really, guys? Really? You want to feel that practicals? Okay, let me make you people feeling the practicals, guys. Okay, close all the editors, go to any project. Now onwards, stop working with that. Save as. Constructor injection test 1. I don't want to disturb the old code so that it will be there for your comparison. Yes, guys. Constructor injection test 1. Fine. Array, I will improvise this line also. Don't worry. Don't worry. First application improvisation only takes some time, guys. Right, boss. Here, what is this? No need of typecasting, my dear. Wish message generator. Generator is equal to Factory dot get bean of. What is the bean ID? WMG. Wish message generator dot class. Super guys. Over. That's done. That's done. No need of any typecasting. Directly you can call the method. Output is still coming or not coming? Any change in the output, my dear? Any change in the output, my dear? Come on. No. Sir, instead of this one, I passed date dot class. Wantedly passed date class. Compile time error. Compile time itself error is coming. So compile time error. No, still you are a stubborn. You are right. You are still running the application. Proceed. Okay, what is that? Unresolved compilation error. Compile time errors are better. Runtime exceptions are better. Compile time errors are better. Runtime exceptions are better. Compile time errors are better, right? Okay. Someone is asking, sir, here also you take date. Okay. Here also you take date. Oh, that time no error will come. This time exception will come. But it is not class cast exception. No doubt in that. That is not going to be class cast exception, guys. That is going to be not of required type. Is a spring specific error. Being of not required type. Are my dear, you are asking to collect WMG bean ID based wish message generator class object, but asking to convert into date class. Sorry, boss, I cannot convert into date class because it is not date type. It is not date type. Come on. So it is giving spring specific error. It is not giving what? Typecasting related error. Come on. Understanding, Mike, again? Okay. Mr. Nagendra, you have to be active, boss. After listening every statement, you are saying once again, instead of that listen statement, bean not of required type exception. Expected be of type java.util.date. It is actually of what type? Wish message generator. It is actually of what type? Wish message generator. Come on. Is it class cast exception? No. It is spring specific exception. See the package name of the exception, guys. org.springframework.beans.factory. It is not at all Java level exception. It is the spring specific exception. Spring type exception. That is your blunder, right? So definitely when you try to ask for wrong conversion, error has to come. Error has to come. No doubt in that. Okay. Error has to come. See, year date, both are matching. That's why it is continued. But bean ID is wrong, right? So this bean ID based bean class object cannot be converted. Suppose here I have passed wish message generator. And here I have taken date. It is not allowed. Why? What is return type? Same thing should be taken parameter type, right? If parameter type is X, return type also X. If parameter type is Z, return type is also Z. So both are not matching. That's why error. So maximum problems will be solved in generics at compile time itself or not. Okay, guys. Wish message generator, guys. Wish message generator. Done. Save it. Someone asking, sir, generic should solve every problem, na? Array, don't, if you do mistake which is not possible to convert, how it can solve the problem? Please. It avoids the typecasting when code is in minimum correctness. Understanding? Or it will try to guide through compile time errors rather throwing exceptions. That is what you have to observe, was. Right, guys. Okay. So improved factory.getBean method. Yeah, now onwards, forget about previous one. GetBean method in the client application. In the client application. Yeah. This is most important change in the code. This is the most important change in the code. I hope you enjoyed the code, guys. So this is another. So today onwards, no one param get bean method. You are going to use two param get bean method. Nothing but generics based get bean method. Okay. I hope you liked the way I linked course Java with Spring, guys. Everyone. Right, boss. Okay. Okay. Now listen. STS. STS. Spring tool suite. Spring tool suite. STS is an ID. STS is an ID which is exclusively given for Spring applications development. When I say Spring, including Spring Boss, Spring or Spring Boot applications development. Okay, guys. This IDE is based on Eclipse IDE. Instead of working with STS IDE, we add STS plugin to Eclipse. STS plugin to Eclipse. Okay. So STS plugin to Eclipse. So we can use Eclipse features and STS IDE features. Now, some people says industry works with STS IDE. Now only I will conduct a survey. All working people, please respond and please type your, okay. IntelliJ is not industry standard because IntelliJ is a commercial one. IntelliJ is commercial one. And IntelliJ is not super for Spring Boss. Okay. Please, all working people, and it's commercial one also. All people, please respond. Working people, please respond your ID in the chat box. If you are using only Eclipse, only Eclipse. Okay. Only Eclipse, only Eclipse. Eclipse with STS plugin, STS plugin. Okay. Array, only Eclipse will not be used. Eclipse with STS plugin will be used. Okay. Now, so many people have given their opinion, guys. Now I'll just copy paste. It's very good. I just copy paste because some people are unnecessarily confusing themselves. Array, it is not allowing to paste. Yeah, everyone please observe. Majority of people are saying what? Eclipse. 1-2 people are saying Eclipse with STS plugin. Is that clear? And 1-2 fellows are saying IntelliJ. IntelliJ will not be used, guys. It's a commercial one. And companies are not ready to spend time on for IDs. So Eclipse with STS plugin is the industry standard. Today I'm going to introduce how to install STS plugin in your Eclipse IDE. It won't come along with Eclipse IDE, guys. You have to install. First of all, let me explain what is plugin. Tell me what is plugin, guys. A patch software that provides additional functionalities to existing software or software application. You know, you have a normal TV, guys, old TV, old CRT TV or LCD TV, LED TV, which is not a smart TV. But I want to make it as a smart TV. We attach Amazon Fire Stick or not? We attach Amazon Fire Stick or not? Come on. And then what happens? Automatically it will become what? Smart TV, right? We can start using all mobile applications there, all Android TV features there. Yes or no? Yes, plugins also like this. You may ask me, sir, it's a very useful plugin. They can give along with Eclipse. This plugin is required only in Spring projects development. If you are not developing Spring project, not that much useful. Suppose your project is not having Spring. If they give along with Eclipse, unnecessarily base version size will increase or not. The base version size will increase or not. So that's why they released basic Eclipse with minimum features. Any feature that will be used optional wise, okay, they have given them as a plugins, guys. They have given one as a plugins. How can you say that, sir? Earlier they have given me even as a plugin, but now that plugin is part of basic Eclipse. Earlier Gradle they have given as a attachable plugin. Now that plugin is what? Part of basic Eclipse, because they noticed industry is using Eclipse and Gradle like anything. Earlier they have given as a Git as what? Pluggable plugin. You have to install separately that plugin. But now it is coming along with the base version only. So whatever minimum required, whatever will be used every day, they are coming with a basic installation. Anything extra which will be used optionally are given as plugins, and you can install plugin to enjoy those features. I think those who have attended my JDBC sessions, I have even talked about, guys. Okay, GUI plugins, guys. Okay, GUI plugins. Are you understanding? We can create a GUI application through drag and drop. So everyone will not be using Swing, guys. Very few people will be using. They will add the plugin and they will enjoy the features. Guys, a plugin is a patch software. Patch software. It's not batch, it's a patch software that provides additional features on the top of existing features. Okay, guys. Please switch off your cameras. Kishan Mihani, can you switch off your camera? On the top of existing features in the software or software application. Yes, guys. Now listen. Eclipse is having two types of plugins. Number one, Eclipse supplied plugins. Eclipse supplied plugins. Okay. Can be added using help menu, install new software option. Example, GUI builders, Glassfish tools, JBoss tools, and etc. Glassfish tool, JBoss tools, etc. These are Eclipse supplied plugins, guys. B, third-party plugins. Third-party plugins, guys. Can be added using help menu, Eclipse Marketplace, guys. What, guys? Eclipse Marketplace. Example, STS plugin. Okay. What plugin, guys? STS plugin. Next. What are the plugins we generally add through from marketplace, guys? Earlier, Meven Gradle we used to add, guys, but now there is no need of adding what other plugins. They are coming along with this one. Yeah, Jasper. Yes. Sonar Cube, Jasper reports. Yes. Sonar Cube, you are right. Sonar Cube, Jasper Soft, and etc. Yes, boss. Third party plugins. Note from Eclipse 2019. Okay. Gradle, Meven, Git, SVN, and etc. plugins are okay. JUnit is from the beginning, boss. From the beginning, it is very much part. Okay. Plugins are built-in plugins. Built-in plugins. Come on. And etc. are plugins are built-in plugins in the basic Eclipse installation. Okay, guys. Understanding. Right, boss. Shall we concentrate on this, guys? Okay. How to add install? Okay. To add. Yes. Acha, 1 minute. First of all, next one. STS plugin features, guys. STS plugin features. Okay. Allows to create Spring Bean configuration file. Spring Bean configuration file by importing selected work namespaces. XSD namespace. Array, so far we copy pasted namespaces. What do you say, guys? So far we copy pasted. No need of that. No need of that. Come on. Okay, guys. Helps to finish Spring Bean configuration file development very fastly. Very fastly. Next. Okay, simplifies Spring Boot application development. Simplify Spring Boot application development. Okay. By giving lots of starters. Yeah, what is starters? I'll explain later. Okay, boss. Simplify Spring Boot application development, boss. Next. Yeah. Allows to create Spring projects and Spring Boot projects easily and etc. Many options are there. Don't worry. Okay. Already in this machine, STS plugin is there. Feel the features, boss. Feel the features first. I'll show how to add it later because automatically you will get interest of doing it. Okay. For example, take the first project. I wantedly deleted application context.xml. Yes, I want to develop on my own. Yeah. I know the code, don't worry. Others. In this exam, earlier we have chosen XML, now don't choose. Spring Bean con. I already added. STS plugin is added. For other batch added, since I am using same Eclipse here, it is also reflecting. This symbol came, leaf symbol and this Spring Boot symbol. Leaf symbol and Spring Boot symbol came, means STS plugin is ready in your system, boss. Application context dot XML, guys. Say next. Beans. Done. See guys, you need not to. These are the various namespaces that Spring offers. Earlier used to copy paste from internet. Earlier used to copy paste from internet. Now not required. Life is easy or not? Say something, my dears. Okay. Now you want to add more namespaces? Select context. You want to add more namespaces? Select context. Automatically those are added. Beans coming, context coming, C coming. You don't want? Remove. Just double confirm. Remove. Very easy or not, boss? Come on. Yes. Now, not only that, you observe this. Bean ID. Bean tag is there now. You will get the help also now. List of attributes. Earlier you got list of attributes? No. Earlier you didn't get the list of attributes, right? Today you got list of attributes. And while typing attributes, you will get suggestions. Class, and see the beauty. I typed date, control space. When I select the class, package names are coming automatically or not? Package names are coming automatically or not? Come on, guys. Dependent class configuration. Target class configuration. Bean ID WMG. Class is equal to. See, wish message generator helps are coming. Come on. So, possibility of doing mistakes will be reduced or not. You need not to type the package name. You just type 2-3 letters and class name. Check it out one more time. Just type W. See, suggestion is coming. Along with the package name, it came. What do you say, guys? STS plugin is very interesting or not? Yes, boss. Yeah. Property name. See, property name, date. Possible property is coming. Ref. Possible things. What are the possible bean IDs you can pass? Actually, available bean ID, it is coming. Come on. Okay, guys. It is giving what? Intel C. This is called Intel C. Hints are coming now. Intel C. That is on because of STS plugin. Generally, people say we are getting suggestions only in Java statement. We are not getting suggestion help in the XML typing. Now that problem is solved or not? Yes, guys. Now you run the application. File not found exception. Why file not found? Application context.xml. I didn't type file name properly, guys. Don't worry. Application context.xml. Right only, na? Oh, extra P. I got it. Set rejection test. Yes. We are getting our choice output here or not? Yes. We are getting our choice output here or not? Okay. Process to add STS plugin. Process to add STS plugin, guys. Shall we see how to add STS plugin? Help menu, Eclipse Marketplace. This is Eclipse applied plugins. This is to add third-party plugins. Good internet connection is required, guys. search for STS. Go is very important. Search for STS, go is very important. Now listen, actually 3.9 version is doing well. Don't install 4.x version. Don't install 4.x version. 3.9 version is doing well. This is already installed. Both 3.9 versions are already installed. See, if it is not installed, install option has come. If it is already installed, installed has come. Did you notice it? Did you notice it, guys? But sir, I will install. I will install 4, 3, both. No, danger, danger. Both will not work properly. So don't try 4. 1, 2 times I faced problem. If you have already installed, not facing problem, leave it. If you are not installed, prefer 3.x version. Prefer 3.x version, not the 4.x version. 3.9 version is there, na 3.9.14 or 14 or 18. Any version is okay. Yes, guys. What is the process? Help menu. Help menu. What is this? Eclipse Marketplace. Eclipse Marketplace. Eclipse Marketplace. Actually, one is enough, guys. One is enough. Okay. There's no need of installing both versions. One version is enough. Eclipse Marketplace. Search for STS. Okay, go. Search for STS, go. Okay. Select 3.9.18 version. Install. Yeah. Okay. Install. I'm pasting the versions now, boss. Install. Then it will calculate all the dependents. Confirm. Then next. Okay. Accept terms and conditions. Something like this will come, guys. Accept terms and conditions. And restart Eclipse ID. Restart Eclipse ID. Okay, guys. Restart Eclipse ID. That's it, boss. Hey, try once, Ra Babu. Nothing is there. It's all about spending time, nothing else. Sir, how to remove if it is already installed? Go to installed version, installed tab. It is showing 3.9.14, 3.9.14, 3.9.18. You want to remove one thing, you can remove. Okay, by mistake 4 is also installed. You want to remove one thing, you can remove. Uninstall option is there. As long as it is working smoothly, don't disturb. Don't disturb. These plugins are quite sensitive, guys. So don't play with them much. If they are working properly, leave them. If they are not working, try to uninstall. After uninstall also not working, okay, delete the Eclipse installation, download fresh copy, extract it. That's it. Anything is okay. 3.1.1, either 18 or 14. Both are not required. One is sufficient. One is sufficient. Maybe by mistake, both are installed in my system. Okay, like this, we can remove the existing plugins, boss. Right, guys. I think you enjoyed today's session. You understood the real importance of generics in real time. How generics makes your code as type safe code. Okay, now you are understanding how Java 8 features are important. Okay, learn Java 8 feature, but try to learn with respect to project, with respect to Spring Learning, with respect to company projects, so that you can explain confidently to interviewer. Understanding my statement? Don't waste money to learn Java 8 features separately. Naresh IT core Java faculties have kept nearly 100 hours of videos, 100 hours of videos at free of cost on Java 8 feature. Not only on Java 8, Ra Babu. They have kept on 11, 12, 14, 16 also. Because recently I have seen one, two faculty charging 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees only to conduct what? Java 8 features. Not required. Just to go to Naresh IT YouTube channel, Java 8 features. You type that. You will get so many videos of so many faculties at free of cost. Anyhow, in the classroom, yes, that's what I'm saying. Don't waste your money. Anyhow, in the classroom, I'm linking with the Spring. Right? Anyhow, in the classroom, I'm linking them in the Spring. I'm linking with the project. I'm linking with application, right? No, I didn't conduct any classes on core Java, boss. I will conduct classes only on advanced topics. Okay, guys. Vinith Yadav, just to follow Harikrishna sir notes are your core Java faculty. No, that is more than sufficient to become perfect in core Java. But only the thing is, generally students take last concepts very light. But in Spring, I'm going to use those last concepts like anything. Java 8 features I'm going to use like anything. One day I will give list of Java 8 features that you have to concentrate. 1 hour other day I'm going to use it. But I will give introduction, then I will use. But sometimes I cannot give. Right. Thank you, LS. Okay, guys. Array, if you want subject, you have to give time, boss. Dhananjay, see, subject won't come without quality. See, daily we are spending 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, if I'm wasting time, that's a good thing. You can question me, but if you give me time, I will give the subject. Thank you, guys.